Hello, and welcome to the Tip of the Week. This week's topic is Google Slides in Meet. Being able to share Google Slides in a Google meeting allows the host to foster active collaboration. When sharing a slideshow, the host is able to see their slide content, slide controls, Meet controls, and audience all in one place. For this to work, you must have Google Meet and the desired Google Slide presentation open. In Google Meet, you will notice a toolbar below the video screen. One of the items on the toolbar is a screen with an up arrow in the center. This icon stands for Present Now. Click the Present Now icon. In the pop-up, make sure you are on the Chrome tab window. Select the Google Slide presentation you want to show and then click Share. When the presentation opens, click Start Slideshow in the bottom right. While sharing, you can advance your slides directly from the Meet window. You can also monitor your mic, hands raised, and your participants and their engagement. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.